ano ba yung ginagawa ni Doc G as a school consultant?
Para each time na makikita yung mga outside positive day delivers, this is Doc shall be added unto you. Ang ipin ba yung mga paid na. So second is to be with my lives para maging writers. Start your journey on how to become rich. Thank you very much. Let's go, let's go.
Alright. So, good morning sa mga delivers natin. Ngayon papunta tayo ng Bulacan for our consultancy work sa isang private school, right? So, ngayon ay pinapakilala ko na rin sa inyo ang aking official team. That is, stripe muna si Doc G starting today. Okay. By the way, I have my assistants doon. Tayo sa Aquinas Scholar Academy. Okay, touch muna tayo. Okay, so ano ba yung work ni Doc G as a marketing consultant or school consultant? School consultant na po tayo dito sa Aquinas Scholar Academy. So, first, the people management. Under people management, so I been talking to the president on how to, basically to deal with their teachers. Kasi teachers, come and go kasi yan eh. So, as much as possible, I told her to retain teachers. Pero since hindi natin mapigilan mga teachers, they're transferring from one school to another. Especially from private school to public school. So it's just like explaining to the teachers their career path also. So if they want to go, wala tayong magagawa doon. Okay? So aside from that is I'm also looking into their classroom instruction, classroom management. So medyo late na tayo ng dating kasi it's Feb na ngayon. So naghahabol tayo. I design a classroom how do you call that, program or classroom structure. So how are they gonna do from before they start their class, in the middle, and how do they end their class. So nakapagawa naman tayo. Ang tawag ko ay iClear. Yan, iClear. So that's under classroom management, classroom instruction. Then of course, the main purpose why the school hired me is for marketing strategy. So I submitted a proposal, and actually we've been doing this already. Nag-start na kami. We're campaigning the school in the different barangays, municipalities, different organizations. So we already had I think 4 seminars within the area. So focusing on the orienting parents on the program of the school. Then we go to different barangays also, helping them to we're giving insights on how they can earn money, livelihood ideas, and so on. So yun yung mga programs ng school on marketing strategy. So sabi ko nga sa president, it's not only about enrollment, it's also about serving the community. Because when you serve the community, magte-thank you yan, and when they are making decisions, meron ka ng parang plus factor. So yun, so that's the marketing strategy na ginagawa natin dito sa sa school. Kasi the school is already ika-10th na nila last January. So 10 years na yung school. At laki ng potential ng school kasi meron silang malaking area doon. So I also as their consultant, as their school consultant. So nagpo-post din ako ng mga bagong programs like for college, they can open new programs, education, BSBA, IT. So yun yung nasa pipeline nila ngayon. Then this summer we'll have different programs also focusing on marketing. And ano pa ba yan? So yun, marami tayong programs. So if you have existing school right now or you want to put up a school, you probably need consultants. So I can help you to on the from the permits, because I have already my team working on that, working on the permit, from the SEC to DepEd to CHED. So may nalis naman tayo dyan kasi I've been working in the private school and in public, nag-work din tayo. So something like that. Okay? So just message me if you want to improve the marketing strategy of your school and if you want to increase the enrollment. Alright? Okay, so yun. So let's see what's inside. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung school. It's a nice school. I have with me my Jolene and Angel, my assistants. So yun, ano tayo, classroom observation. Then kausapin natin yung sa ano nila sa nag-receive ng mga inquiries. So kasi dapat merong mga nag-handle na maayos na yan. Alright, so part 2 tayo ngayon na second round ng classroom observation natin sa kanila. Kanina nag-observe na tayo, nakatatlong classroom na tayo. So okay naman, sinunod namin yung ating classroom instruction, classroom procedure. So kasi I already had a meeting with them 2 weeks ago. So okay naman, meron kaming sariling structure. So ano yung panisimula ng klase, how to engage students, how to end your class, how to start and so and then I also had a meeting with the marketing team. Not necessarily yung nag-receive ng ng mga inquiries dito. So pinapa-convert ko to as admission room. So there will be 3 persons na i-charge. Kasi dalawang building nila mami, so yung isa i-charge doon sa old building kasi dalawa dito. So I want the best room for our inquiries for the students and parents. So, pati yung utility, kinausap ko na rin, pinaayos natin yung para maganda yung makita ng tao. So that's the one of the marketing strategies na pwede natin gawin. So you need to see your facilities. Okay, so let's check yung tao na nag-handle ng marketing inquiries. So dapat oriented din. Kasi kung ganito kasi yun kung gaano yung energy ng mga taong lumalabas outside, the one who's doing your promotion, the marketing, ganoon din dapat yung energy, yung enthusiasm nung nag-accept ng mga inquiries. So it's like, meron kasing marketing team din yung school. So, outside, so, meron nag-handle ng magkaibang tao. So, dapat pareho sila ng spirit. Okay, high spirit, positive spirit. So, yun ang in-orient ko doon sa tatlo nating personal kanina dito sa school. Okay? So, that's how it works as a school consultant. So, pati yung husband din ng may-ari. So, yung may-ari rin. Si Sir Greg, mag-usap din kami. Then na si Ma'am Lisa, dumating din siya. So, hintayin ko sila ngayon mga 3 p.m. para kapag-report ako nung nating iba po mga bagay na pag-usapan. Okay? Alright, so again, I'm inviting you, if you have your school, you can hire me as your consultant. So, business na kayo. I can be your coach, I can be your consultant, or if you have businesses that provide services or you have your products, or you do it, And isa pa pala sa pinag-usapan namin yung the social media, marketing is through social media. So we choose one platform that is yung FB. So I'll be talking to one of their teachers to manage the social media. It's also important to go to technology. So sabi ko nga, dito na dapat i-ayusin yung page, FB page, tapos may isang tao in charge. So that's a promotion tool din kasi yun. Okay, so one of the most important promotion tools yung social media. Okay? Alright, so that's it. Let's go to the second part.